recording now. How now, brown cow?
Hi guys, and welcome back to the wedding series. Today's episode is gonna be fun. Boop boop! Boop boop!
Boop. Boop.
Okay, so we finished the boxes today, and we were planning on giving the boxes to two friends of ours tonight, because we're meeting up with them.
But someone's boxes aren't ready.
I know, mine aren't here yet. So I was kind of bummed because we wanted to do like together tonight, but we're gonna see them next weekend. So if you are those people, you know who we're talking about.
Come the next weekend.
Yeah. So we just finished today. So today we're gonna kind of go over our process and, you know, how Jake picked out everything to end up with, ta-da!
Oh.
The finished product.
Yeah. So if you just give her a little gander, here's the finished product. Got the burned wood.
Yeah.
With the burned engraved lettering.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that looks so good.
Got that groomsman card here.
Mm-hmm.
Got that personalized flask. Little bottle of something that I like to indulge in every now and then. Little maker's mark. Put it in front of your face so it focuses.
You gotta do the blogger hand.
Oh, I'll touch it.
There you go.
Boom. Maker's mark.
Yeah.
Hand dipped wax. So they're all different.
That's pretty cool.
And then
I'll do the same.
we got the little cufflinks from Grateful Gadgets online, and they're all custom made with
Initials.
initials and that fancy stuff. But
Focus! There
Boom!
you go.
the process
Yeah.
has been a process.
Yeah.
I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at myself.
Oh, yeah.
The process has
Sorry.
been a process.
Mhm.
So
What did we
let's
start
go back in
with?
time.
Yeah.
We started at Michael's.
Yeah.
I
You
started at Michael's.
Yeah, that was a solo project.
Getting each box.
Mm-hmm.
And then I took the boxes to a coworker's house.
We'll put a picture on the screen what the boxes used to look like. Pretty boring. Like IKEA wood boring.
Boring, light wood.
Mhm.
And then I took them to a coworker's house and we burned them and engraved them.
Mm-hmm.
And I took them home and sanded them a little bit with some light sandpaper, and that way we got all the charcoal off, because when you burn it, it makes charcoal.
Yeah, it kind of stained your fingers, didn't it?
And so I did that, and then I put some sealant on it, a couple layers.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's good.
Yeah, they look so good. And you have two different, you want to show the two different shapes you have?
Yeah, so the first shape, square box.
Kind of like sharp edges.
Yeah. Second, thinner but fatter.
Yeah. Not as
Rounded edges.
tall. Yeah.
But same idea, just different how the
Setup is. inside.
items go inside.
Yeah.
I would get little crinkle paper, you know, cardboard brown.
Mhm.
I thought, yeah, I could probably use a lot, so I got 2 pounds. This is 1 pound. I barely used any of it.
No, that's not the one you used. That's the second one.
Okay, yeah, but the first one I used like
Yeah.
this much. This is still just 1 pound, and I got 2 pounds.
Yeah, so you don't need as much as you think you do.
Anyways, you can kind of see and tell what it looks like.
And he got them off Amazon, right?
Amazon.
Yeah.
Yep. From
They just look
Magic
really
Water
cool.
Supply.
To put everything on for it to kind of like lift it up a little. You don't want to give an empty box. It just looks a little
Boring.
boring.
Then we made these groomsmen cards. Bah! These groomsmen cards that you put on the screen.
Yeah. And it just looks really good in the lid. It's kind of like, you know, the proposal part of it, but not like, will you be my groomsman? But
It's like, here's what you need to do on the day of the wedding.
requirements
Yeah, should I
to be a
read
bro.
them?
Yeah, read it.
Terms of service.
Well, this is
So dark.
groomsman card.
Groomsman card. Handle whatever, whenever. Don't screw up the bachelor party.
Mm-mm.
Always say, I got it, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure to remind me why I love my bridezilla. Best man, make sure to make me look good in the toast. And hand me a beer after the ceremony and say it'll be okay.
You got it, bro.
So, I got these flasks custom. Oh, it's doing it automatically.
Yeah.
On Etsy.
They're really cool.
They're like a leather. You can do some on the back too. There's different designs that you can pick. I like this one because it's simple.
Yeah.
I'm a simple kind of person.
They look really good. And they have a lot of different colors and textures.
Yeah, mine was leather color. And
like
then the Groomsmen's are grayish.
Yeah, they look really cool. And we just picture like pictures, you know, on the at the wedding and stuff with them like cheering with these and all of the groomsmen matching, and then Jake having a little bit of a special one. Yeah. But we like them for photos and for the video, you know, groomsmen getting ready together. Yeah. So they turned out really, really cool. Good. They just fit our vibe and Jake's vibe, and our wedding is kind of rustic, so we want it to be like...
And what part of this doesn't scream rustic?
No, they look sick.
Boom. Cufflinks.
They're so cool.
From Grateful Gadgets. Go check them out. They're pretty cool. They have a lot of groomsmen gift boxes, bridesmaids boxes. Yeah. Tie clips, all sorts of like little gadgets, as their name says.
Yeah, so you can get like a full box from them, or you can just get like a piece, because as you know, obviously Jake wanted to make his own boxes. So for us, it made more sense to go with like one item instead of their whole box. But they have like pre-made, right? They're like pre-made? Yeah. Put together for you?
Yeah. But this one was cool. You can get a bunch of different colors and stuff. Like wood, maple. I chose zebra wood because it's a little lighter. Yeah. Kind of actually, I don't know if you want to try and focus. It almost matches the box.
It kind of does, like the middle part of it.
So, yeah. It has that zebra style striping. Yeah. With the wood and the burn and the stain. So, I think it turned out perfect.
Yeah, I think they match perfectly. Oh. This is gonna so go in. We're at his grandparents' place, and that's an old person's clock, isn't it?
Yep.
And then we go to commercial.
So thank you, Grateful Gadgets, for sponsoring the boys on wedding day with these awesome cufflinks.
Thank you so much. We love them. So we'll link them down below. Their website's down below, and his specific ones that he went for, the zebra wood, is linked down below. And what else can we link? We can link the flasks as well if you're interested in those. Those are not sponsored, but if you're looking for really, really cool flasks, we recommend them. Good price. Yeah. Off Etsy. Etsy has a lot of stuff though. So like if you're looking for stuff like this, we went to Etsy for like just inspiration and just like figuring it out what we actually wanted to put in the boxes. Yeah. Is there anything else we want to say about the boxes?
That's it. If you want groomsmen boxes, hit me up and I'll give you special pricing.
Are you gonna make them now?
I'm gonna create them.
Is this your new business?
My new business.
Are we gonna turn into like a...
Find me on Etsy.
Wedding? He actually does want to get into woodworking though. That's not a joke.
Yeah, if you need any woodworking designs, I'll do it for you.
All right. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it and the process of Jake making his boxes. If you're one of the groomsmen that got them, I hope you like them.
You better like them.
We love them. So I feel like we should have made one for us just for the memories.
I know, right? Just one of the grooms, just keep it for a while, please. Just
please keep them. You can put whatever inside, you know?
Anything.
We're gonna end this video right now. That's my new thing, I guess. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Stop! I don't like clapping on videos and I always clap. He's making fun of me. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. The next video will probably be my boxes.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. We're waiting. I think they're gonna come today or Monday at the latest. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. The next episode will probably be my bridesmaids boxes.
If they're here. If they're here on time, let's hope. But yeah, we'll see you in our next video next Sunday. Bye-bye. Today we're asking Ryan and Kimberly to be in our bridal party.
Yes.
Now I gotta go do my hair.
Yeah, do your hair. We have a little bag right here and a little box right here with like the proposals for Ryan and Kimberly. But this is like the only couple that we're hanging out with, and we get to ask them together, which is really cool because they're actually both gonna be a groomsman and a bridesmaids, which they're the only couple, I think. Are they? Yeah, they're the only couple in our bridal party that's actually a couple. So we really, really wanted to ask them together. So today that's what's gonna happen. And I don't want to talk too loud because they might be getting here and they might be outside our door really, really soon. But we're gonna get them into our hotel room. That was the plan. They're gonna come here for like a glass of wine and drink before going out for dinner. So this is really, really exciting. But yeah, we're gonna film it and you're gonna see it and hopefully they will get excited. I'm gonna angle you guys up a little bit.
Welcome to our humble abode.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Look at our view. It's actually pretty nice.
Oh, that is nice.
Right? I'm cleaning my purse out.
Yeah, you swing your wood. I don't know golf lingo, but.
So, we have something for you.
Oh. I got a beer for you.
Wait.
That a beer? Alright, can we can open it first? Open the big one first, Ryan. Big one first.
We're kind of low people when you guys. This is his final thing. I haven't gotten mine yet, so it's kind of like a.
Okay, no worries.
We just really wanted to do it this weekend. So yours is coming. Okay. This is like legit.
Wow.
Yeah.
Will you be my groomsman? Of course.
I didn't even read it. I just saw bridesmaid.
Dude, that's fucking awesome.
Yours
Don't
is
want
coming.
anybody else.
Coming like officially.
Welcome to the bridal party.
Congrats.
Thank you.
We were like last weekend when we hung out. We're like,
I know we really
I
want to.
want to
Like,
say it, so I want to just
Oh my
ask
God.
you guys so bad.
I was trying to act so low key, and I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
What is this?
Are we gonna wear these?
Oh, we're gonna wear those.
Can my pants be like this high so I can
No.
I'm just kidding.
So? Is it a yes?
So will you be my groomsman?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's in the goodie box?
Dude, this thing's legit.
Cute.
We're gonna get so lit.
A little gift for you, my boy. Panda Express. You like Panda? Have some Panda.
Oh, hell yeah. Fucking yes.
Now we got a lot of stuff to talk about. That's leather, my boy.
Boom. Fuck yeah.
So, will you be my groomsman?
Yes.
Yes! Yes!
Did we just become best friends?
Yep.
Yeah. Boom.
I got a question for you, my boy. Would you like to be my groomsman?
Of course. Yeah, dude. We're doing something better, dude. What?
Dude, you're rocking them. Those
That's
are earrings.
sick, dude.
They go in, yeah, so we're all gonna get our ears pierced.
Oh yeah.
What is this? Is this?
Dad, I think I don't know.
Oh, dude, that's cool.
Dad, I think
Ooh. Is it cool?
oh, Dad.
That's awesome. Our groomsman card. Terms of service. Best man, make sure you make me look good in the toast. Oh gosh. Alright. Yeah. And hand me a beer after the ceremony and say it'll be okay. Deal. I can do those. I can do those.
That's the best.
You did?
Oh, you did? I